Hey y'all, so today is day 3 of our 12 days of fitness challenge, and it's 3 rounds around the clock. So I wanted to show you guys what I meant by that so that you can be ready for the next time we do 3 rounds around the clock. It is basically doing your exercises for 12 repetitions, and I made me a man-made clock here on my floor. I normally like to do this outside where I have more room, but it's freezing outside today, and I still wanted to complete the challenge for today. So I took some pictures, and I'm going to upload them so you guys can see what I mean by that, so you can have a visual. I'm going to do an exercise for around the clock for 12 reps. So the exercise I am going to demonstrate for you guys is going to be Jackknife. So I'm going to hit each point around the clock at least once, and that'll give me 12 repetitions. Here we go for the jackknives. So 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's going around the clock for 12 repetitions. The next exercise that I'm going to demonstrate for you guys going around the clock are squat jumps. So here we go. Reps is short for repetitions, or the number of times that you perform any given exercise in your workout. Most exercises are performed in a range of 8 to 12 reps total per set. This range is best for general increase in muscle strength and size. And that's according to ACE. There we go, around the clock or around the world doing squat jumps. So the last exercise that I'm going to demonstrate for you guys today will be cross chops, okay? So I'm going to do that 12 rounds around the clock as well. All right, thank you guys for participating in our 3 rounds around the clock. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video for day 4.